till we see what happens.
Back at you with another video from 80s Nut. Old train tracks. You can kind of see some transients right there. Looks like they're doing a drug deal. And here's the old bridge. And there's a girl trying to cross the bridge. So there's still a train that crosses this every 3 hours. Some racist graffiti right there. Okay, we are headed back. Actually, let's go grab a bite to eat, then go back. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.